Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Kuhn, one of the editors of Game & Fish magazine, and welcome to B&W's Tow Ready in 2. As you can imagine, I spend a lot of time every year out on the road, pulling boats, campers, ATVs, and the occasional utility trailer. And what I've come to realize is towing is very serious business. You've got thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars of gear right behind you. In this video series, we'll present you with several aspects of pulling a trailer safely and hopefully give you more enjoyment out of your next pull. Connecting your trailer to the tow vehicle is a relatively straightforward process, but if you skip any of the steps, you're gonna have trouble while you're out on the road. Of course, the first thing you want to do is align your trailer with your tow vehicle. And to do so, I recommend 2 adults. The reason why is backing your truck and aligning your trailer by yourself is dicey at best. You're gonna back into your trailer, and that's not a good thing. There's 2 ways to do that with another adult. You use hand signals or you do it verbally. I recommend hand signals, but if you're gonna use hand signals, agree on the meaning of them before you start. With the trailer coupler aligned, lower the coupler onto the ball. Usually you're gonna use your trailer jack to do so. Make certain that the coupler and the ball are engaged. If you don't have the ball engaged to the coupler and you drive off, the trailer's gonna come off the hitch. If it's being stubborn, put your foot on the trailer tongue and give it a gentle shake. Usually that will make the trailer coupler drop onto the ball. Never put your hands in between any of that, because that's a good way to lose a finger. Now that the coupler is engaged on the ball, secure the latch. Install your safety pin or a lock. Next thing you want to do is connect the lights. Simple enough. Connect them to the vehicle from the trailer. Now you want to connect the safety chains. With your lights connected and your safety chains connected, now's a good time to double check those safety chains. Make sure they're crossed and they're not dragging on the road. Check your lights to make sure they work. If they are, you're ready to head out on the road. B&W designs and manufactures a complete line of trailering accessories, and I count on them for my trailering chores. We hope we provided you with some good information in these videos and ask that you would watch the others in the series to help you get more out of your trailering experience.